As the population rises, innumerable loads of trash are also being produced. After China and Indonesia, the Philippines ranks as the world's third biggest polluter with 2.7 million metric tons of plastic waste generated each year, and an estimated 20% ends up in the ocean, which endangers marine life.
However, as people need convenient necessities for everyday consumption, a plastic bag is used as the primary source of assistance in carrying. But since plastic has a lot of risk, people produce alternatives such as eco-friendly bags.
Duri bag. The researchers utilize a unique ingredient to the eco-friendly alternative to plastic bags. Made from a durian husk which is high of components that are essential in making a bag. Instead of throwing it away after eating or criticizing its odd smell, how about utilizing its husk into something beneficial?
It is durable, it can fit things just like an ordinary bag. Most importantly, biodegradable and friendly to the environment.